Attorney General Anil Nandlall is reminding those who serve Guyana's judiciary as judges that they are not absolved from criticism. In fact, Nandlall reasoned that once the condemnation is offered respectfully and without ulterior or immoral motives, then it should be welcomed and not rebuffed.
If the judiciary is not complying with a particular principle or a particular piece of legislation, it is also open for the executive to so comment. Once it is done respectfully and once ulterior or immoral motives are not attributed, then the law permits such exchanges.
The Attorney General said healthy exchanges must be encouraged in a democracy, and he hopes it is not viewed as affecting the good relations between the executive and legislature. In the last 2 weeks, local judges received flack for failing to comply with laws related to time limit for delivering written decisions. It was Nandlall who led those criticisms, which were later articulated by others on social media. But the integrity of judges who sit at the appellate court and who deliver decisions during Guyana's protracted general elections in 2020 has also been called into question by Professor Cynthia Barrow-Giles, who led the supervisory Carcom-Ricong team to Guyana. The criticisms did not sit well with Chancellor of the Judiciary, Yonnette Cummings-Edwards, who earlier this week expressed dissatisfaction with the reports on social media. One day after, Nandlall responded, saying that the executive arm of government enjoys good, independent and respectful relations with the legislative arm. Nandlall said he has no difficulty with the explanation of the Chancellor that there is a shortage of judges, assuring that this will be addressed shortly.
If it is that the judiciary was responding to comments I made, then I have no difficulty with the explanation of, I welcome the explanation of the Honorable Chancellor of the Judiciary that there is a shortage of judges.
In October, Justice Adrian Saunders, the president of the Caribbean Court of Justice, CCJ, Guyana's highest court of appeal, had said he was impressed with the leadership in the country's judiciary. To make his point, the CCJ president cited the efficient disposition of cases, elimination of backlogs, embrace and development of technological innovations, the premium placed on training, and the employment of alternative dispute resolution mechanisms. He singled out Chancellor Cummings-Edwards and Chief Justice Acting Roxanne George for commendations in this regard. For the newsroom, Kurt Campbell.